Good morning, gang, or afternoon, depending on when you're choosing to do math on this eDay. Today for eDay, we're looking at some different story problems, and our problem-solving technique today is sequencing and prioritizing information. So we're going to use the information that's given to us, and we're going to prioritize it to whether it's important or not important. So let's look at this example problem that'll help you hopefully with your homework assignment. So we have the Perez family has planned an evening event that included a snack, dinner, dessert, and game time. There are 6 hours planned for the entire evening. 1/3 of the evening's time will be devoted to dinner. 1/6 of the time will be spent on having a snack. The question's asking us how many hours will be spent on playing games and dessert. Sequencing the information can help us solve the problem. We're going to start with the events for which we have information. So we have information about 1/3 of the time is for dinner. So let's start with that information. So I want to know what is 1/3 of 6. So to do that, I'm going to do 6 times 1/3. To do that, I need to put my 6 over a 1, and I'm going to find out that that is going to end up being 2. And that's what we have over here, 2 hours for dinner. Let's look, what else do I know? I also know that 1/6 of the time will be spent on snacks. So I can set that problem up. I've got 6 total hours and 1/6 of the time. So what is 1/6 of 6? Well, that's going to be 1. So I have 1 hour for snacks. All of that information is great. That's sequencing my information, but that's not going to be the answer that I'm looking for, because my question is asking me how many hours are spent on games and dessert. So I know that there is a total of half the time is going to be spent on dinner and snacks. So I start with how much total time? 6 hours total time. And I know that 3 hours are spent on dinner and snack. So that means that there's going to be 3 hours left for games and dessert. So again, I'm using the information that's given to me first, so that's sequencing, and then I find an answer to that to help me solve the actual question. And again, this is also another 2-step problem. So prioritizing my information and sequencing it can help me solve this kind of story problem. Have fun on your practice problems for today.